7 times you circle around a silent stone. Sahih Bukhari speaks of the ancient ways. Why do you seek life from what cannot breathe?
You say you believe in the one true God, but you bow your face to the dust of the Kaaba. You pray to the created instead of the Creator. You build your house on shifting sand, and you know it.
Your deeds are many, but your heart is bound. You speak for the Lord, but you follow the stone. You say Jesus is not God, while you are kissing a stone. Your words are hollow. You are wandering in the desert of the soul. Turn from the ancient ritual. Turn from the shadows of the past. Start serving Jesus Christ. Start serving the living King. Jesus is the way, the only way. Repent! Stop the circling! See the truth of the gospel! Seek the light that the Dawah hides! Turn your face to the Lord and live.
No more circling, no more stones.
Start serving Jesus. The truth will set you free.
He is not in the stone. He is risen.
Seven times.
You